Tired of boring DIY projects? Ready to unleash your inner artist? Then get ready for the Mecpow M1 Laser Engraver. This isn't your grandma's engraver. The M1 handles over 300 materials with ease. Cut through 3mm plywood, engrave intricate designs on metal, all with incredible speed and precision. See those amazing details? That's 10,000 millimeters per minute engraving speed. But it's not just powerful, it's safe and simple. FDA Class 1 certified, the fully enclosed design protects you and your family. No goggles needed. Plus, it's pre-assembled. Just unbox, connect, and create. Perfect for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. And the best part? It's incredibly portable. Take your creativity anywhere. Expand your possibilities with optional accessories like the infrared laser module for metal engraving and the rotary roller for cylindrical objects. Imagine the possibilities: personalized gifts, custom crafts, even your own business. Don't miss out. This limited-time offer includes free shipping and a special bonus, a free set of additional engraving materials. But this deal won't last. Click the link in the description now to order your Mecpow M1 and unlock your creative potential. Unleash your creativity with Mecpow M1. Order yours today.